If the main thing that keeps you from cooking healthy, delicious meals is that it just takes too darn long, or it feels complicated enough to give you a headache, try these amazingly simple tips and tricks. While you're on that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Ready? Let's begin with 1. When you have a jar of pickles, roasted red peppers, or whatever that just won't seem to budge, come on, it's happened to the best of us. Despite that extra set of bicep curls, simply wrap a rubber band around the lid to give it more leverage when you grasp it. If that is still not enough, cover the rubber band wrapped lid with a dish towel, and try again. 2. To save time cutting a whole bunch of grapes, or cherry tomatoes, or pitted olives in half all at once, sandwich them between two thin plastic lids. Press down on the top lid as you slice the knife, carefully, through the produce. 3. Whether it's meatloaf, frittata, or casserole, you can cut the cooking time by about half by dividing it among individual muffin tins for cooking rather than cooking it all together in one large dish. Just spray the muffin tins with cooking spray first to prevent sticking. 4. To get a small squeeze of lemon or lime juice without having to cut into the entire fruit, simply insert a toothpick into one end of the fruit and twist back and forth to form a hole. Then remove the toothpick and squeeze juice from the hole. This works best with a room temperature fruit. If yours is refrigerated, roll it back and forth between your palm and the counter a few times to warm it up. Another bonus, no need to worry about accidentally squeezing seeds into the mix. Reinsert the toothpick and store in the fridge to help it last longer. 5. Making oven-baked home fries or roasted taters. Don't waste time cutting them piece by piece. Instead, slice off the two ends of the potato to form a flat surface on each end, and use an apple slicer to cut the whole potato into wedges instantly. 6. Love fresh garlic? But hate that it takes so long to peel only to make your hands smell like you work in a garlic farm? Microwave the head of garlic for about 20 seconds, and the peels will slip right off. If your hands still end up with a little garlicky smell, simply rub them on your stainless steel sink. The stainless steel molecules bind to the smelly garlic molecules. 7. If you see a fatty, greasy layer floating on the top of your soup, stew, or sauce, simply skim an ice cube over the surface. The cold will cause the fat to congeal, which then makes it easier to scoop up, out, and away from the dish. 8. For a pasta dinner that comes together in minutes flat, simply soak the pasta sealed in a gallon-sized plastic bag of water overnight. Then, your pasta will cook in boiling water in just 1 minute. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We post quality content daily. See you tomorrow and stay curious.